It's delicious. It tastes very good and it's very creamy.
Hey guys, today I'm cooking made chicken with fettuccine pasta. So I'm using 5 chicken breasts. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, and remember the chicken seasoning has got some salt, so I'm not adding salt, and adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. You can add as many spices as you like, but for me I just like these few spices. I don't want to overpower the chicken with too much spices. And then I'm going to add a little bit of oil, 1 tablespoon of oil to marinate my chicken, and then mix through the chicken. And marinate for about 15 minutes. And you can use chicken breast if you like, but I like to use chicken thighs because they are nice and tender. They don't go dry. In a large pan, I'm going to heat up my large pan, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then heat up the oil. And now it's time to add the chicken. I'm going to cook each side for about 8 minutes. So cook each side for about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. I like my chicken to be nice and golden brown. Now it's time to flip the sides, cook the other side. In a large pot of water, I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm cooking my fettuccine, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm adding my pasta, my fettuccine in the water. I'm using half a packet of the fettuccine. You can use the whole packet, but for me, I've got, my family is small, so I'm using half the pasta, half the packet. Cooking for about 10 minutes. Follow the instructions on the packet. And then going back to my chicken, it's looking good. And then I'm gonna set that aside. Set the chicken aside, and in the same pan, I'm going to make my sauce, adding 1 small onion. Add 1 small onion and saute for a few minutes, probably 1 or 2 minutes. And then now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and then cook the onion and the garlic together for about 2 minutes. This is looking good now. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And cook the tomato paste with the onion and garlic mix for about a minute. And this is optional, guys. I'm adding about 10 cherry tomatoes that are cut in half. Just because I've got a lot of cherry tomatoes in my garden, I'm just adding them to add a little bit of extra tomato flavor. You don't have to add the cherry tomatoes. You can skip that out if you want, if you don't have the cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes until the tomato and the tomato paste and the cherry tomatoes are well mixed together. And look at that, the tomato cherries are well cooked through and they've broken down. This is looking good now. So I'm going to add half a cup of chicken stock and then mix through, simmer for about 1 minute. Now I'm adding thickened cream, about 300 ml of thickened cream. And then mix through. This is looking good. Now I'm going to bring back the chicken and simmer in the creamy sauce. Simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then let's simmer again for an extra 2 minutes. So in total simmer for about 5 minutes. And now I'm adding the cooked fettuccine. And then I'm mixing through the pasta and the sauce. Mix and simmer together for a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. add parsley, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like the video. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for your support.
It's good. 10 out of 10.